Hello everyone, welcome back. If you try to download any application from the Play Store but the Play Store says cannot install WhatsApp Business or any application, then you have two options under this message: understood and send feedback. Then do the following steps to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here, scroll and find and tap on app management and tap on app list. Here, we are going to search for Google Play Store. After tap on Google Play Store, we are going to do some changes here. First of all, we are going to check the storage usage. Then go back and tap on data usage detail. Here you will see the two options are enabled. We have to disable first, then also disable background data. Then go back and tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. After clearing the cache, we are going back all the way and tap on Google services. Here you will see storage usage, clear cache, manage space, and clear all data. Delete. Now go back to the Google Play Store and data usage detail. Enable background data. Force close all the app that are running in the background and restart your iPhone. After restart your Android device, then launch the Play Store and you will get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.